beauties! Ready to combat that November dryness? Here's a simple 5-step skincare routine to keep your skin glowing through the chilly season. Step number 1 is gentle cleansing. Start your routine with a gentle cleanser. Opt for a hydrating cleanser to wash away impurities without stripping your skin of its natural oils. This will help maintain your skin's moisture barrier. Step number 2 is exfoliate. Exfoliation helps remove dead skin cells that can make your skin look dull. Use a mild exfoliant to reveal fresh, glowy skin. Don't overdo it though. 2 to 3 times a week is plenty to avoid irritation. Step number 3, hydrating toner. Apply a hydrating toner to balance your skin's pH levels and prep it for better absorption of the next products. Look for ingredients like hyaluronic acid, glycerin, or rosewater to lock in moisture. Step number 4, Nourishing Moisturizer. Choose a rich, hydrating moisturizer to combat dryness. Look for ingredients like ceramides, hyaluronic acid, or squalene. And step number 5 is SPF. Don't forget to protect your skin from UV rays, even on cloudy days. Apply a broad spectrum sunscreen with at least SPF 30. Sunscreen is a must year-round to prevent premature aging and maintain healthy skin. Here you have it, beauties, your 5-step skincare routine to combat dry November skin. Follow these steps and you'll be rocking that radiant complexion all month long. If you have any questions or want more tips, drop them in the comments below. Until next time, keep shining, keep creating, and I'll see you in the next one.